What if I told you that natural disasters have shaped some of the most pivotal moments in history? Let's explore. On April 18, 1906, San Francisco was devastated by a massive earthquake, leaving the city in ruins. Fast forward to Lisbon, 1755. Another earthquake struck, transforming the city overnight and influencing Enlightenment thinkers. Even ancient Rome wasn't spared. Temples and monuments fell, reminding us of nature's unforgiving power. History is a testament to nature's impact on human society. The past is fragile, just like the ground beneath our feet.